In this project, we're going to put on the stage a cat, this sprite number 1, a cat racing towards the finish line, which will be sprite number 2. And when it hits the finish line, it will blink the LED, which is showing here. Okay, so now let's begin. So in this project, we need one hardware. So hardware setup is pretty simple. So just LED hook up to slot number 1. And the cat is already here, which is sprite 1. Now for the finish line, let's draw a finish line, which is going to be sprite number 2. Hit this bar, we get this, and we pick a color, red color. Okay, it's going to be the finish line. Okay, sprite number 1, sprite number 2. So now let's add the script for different sprites. Okay, look at here. Look at this script zoom. You click sprite 1, you get the scripts for sprite 1. And then you click sprite 2, you get the script for sprite 2. So let's work on the sprite 2 first. Okay, sprite number 2, control, when it clicks, we want the finish line right jump to the right left. Okay, rightmost here. Okay, so when it clicks, motion, jump, go to, let's look at the coordinates. Somehow towards like x will be 230, y will be 0. So x 230. Now let's test it. If we hit this green button, see? They will jump right to the rightmost portion here. Okay, we are done with sprite 2. Now let's work on the sprite 1, which is the mouse, which is the cat. What should we do? First, when we hit it, when this little green flag is hit, we want it back to the left side. Okay, motion. So we want it back somewhere here. So minus 230. Okay, minus 230. So let's see. When we hit it, it will back. Okay, and then control, repeat until. So repeat until and motion. So it will move like a move 4 steps. So this little cat will move 4 steps towards the finish line until it touches the finish line. So let's do this. Motion sense, that's sense, touching, put here, put on this hexagon, touching sprite 2, okay? So it will repeat until touch the sprite 2. So then it will stop. So next we will blink this LED, okay? Control, how to do the blink? Blink will be forever. And for hardware, we need to add a pin number 1 to be output, because it's a LED, driver LED. Okay, put it here, somewhere here. And then set this pin 1 to be high. And then, because we are trying to blink the LED, wait 1 second. And then set this LED to be low, basically turn it off to be low. Then wait 1 second again. So let's look at the whole program. For the cat, which is sprite 1, when we click it, it will back off to the leftmost, and then it will move 4 steps and repeat until it touches sprite 2. Sprite 2 is the finish line. And once it hit it, it will stop there and then blink the LED. Now let's look at sprite number 2. when you click it, it will go to rightmost. Okay, this is what we want. Now let's see what do we get. Okay, hit the green button to run. Look at the cat. Look at the cat. It's running. Hit. Now look at the LED. It's blinking. Okay. We are done. Thank you.